love fusing different flavors from different cultures together, and a chili paneer is the perfect example of this. It's a street food found in places like India. It's not a Chinese dish, but it's inspired by the recipes and flavors of East Asia. First, cube up 500 grams of paneer cheese. Or to speed things up, you can get paneer cubes pre-cut. Get your frying oil ready in a deep wok and let that heat up while you prepare the tempura batter. For the tempura, you want 2 parts plain flour and 1 part cornstarch, and season with salt and pepper. Now pour in enough water and mix to make a thin batter like this. In a separate bowl, add some plain flour to dredge the paneer. Throw in your paneer cubes and toss in the flour. Then coat the pieces in the tempura batter. Now deep fry the paneer on medium to high heat. This will take a minute or 2 before they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. Drain and admire this crispy goodness. Time to prep the veg. Mince 1 clove of garlic and ½ an inch of ginger. Then chop up 1 red onion into quarters and then half the quarters to get chunks. And do the same with a bell pepper. Next, slice up a large spring onion on a bias, which means diagonally. Same with a large red chilli, which will add some sweet heat. Now let's put this together with the sauce. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil into a wok and turn on the heat high. Add the garlic and ginger to the hot oil. Be careful not to burn it. You just want to infuse the oil with the flavour. At this stage, add the onion and pepper and stir on high heat. Don't overcook them because you want them to remain crispy at the end. I'm going to use some hoisin sauce. You can use soy sauce or fish sauce. I like hoisin sauce because it has both the sweet and salty umami flavour. For the spicy bit, I'm going to add some Korean gochujang, and this is pure red chilli. Add a flat tablespoon of the Korean chili paste and stir. Splash in some water and some vinegar for acidity. I'm using apple cider vinegar. Your mix should be bubbling like this. If the heat is too low, your veg will turn soggy. Now throw in the fried paneer and give it a good toss. Next, add the spring onion and chilli and toss again. Now it's ready to serve. Finally, sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top, and that's my banging chili paneer.